Hello and welcome to Angela's Hangout. Today I'm participating in a collaboration which is hosted by the DIY Mommy. It is called the 2018 Outdoor DIY and Decor Challenge, and she just wants to see a little DIY or just show our outdoor space. So I am going to make a little towel holder to go next to my hot tub. I'm going to use a 4x4. I've had this stuff in my garage, my drill, my hooks, and which was for a previous project, as well as this little light thing, and yeah. All right, well, let's get started. So all I'm going to do is take my hooks, figure out where I need to put my holes, and then go ahead and start drilling the hooks into the 4x4 wood. And so I'm going to do it on all three sides, and I'm not going to have them all level because I like the staggering look of the towels. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started here. Okay, so I should have had some wood glue. I couldn't find any, so I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue this little plate thing and stick it up on the top of it, and then I'll put the little light on top of that as well. Alrighty, here it is. So this is our little stand that holds my towel. So when I'm in my little hot tub, all I have to do is just reach right over and grab a towel. I'm really proud of how this thing turned out. So all I did here for the base was I had a bucket filled with rocks that I actually did from a fireplace remodel not too long ago. So I just stuck the pole in there, and yeah, so I think it's so stinking cute. I really like how it turned out. It's something that I really needed, and it's all stuff that I had on hand. So here's just a little overview of my patio. I know a lot of you have already seen it, but if you're new to my channel, this is my little patio. I live in a little itty bitty teeny tiny condo, but my patio is actually quite large, and I just love it. It's kind of like an extension of my living room. So yeah, and then this barbecue area right here was a major DIY I did, along with the help from my friend Brooks. But I'll link that video below. And Bella says hello. And yeah, so thank you so much, DIY Mommy, for hosting this collaboration. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to see what everybody else has come up with. Thank you so much now. Bye-bye.